Simple trotro chesempo muamuchi ayade some vehicles no and also I have some 93.1 FM and so already no sumo muteva earpiece no ya damu nyina mo so ase anafe make us a few mu and chess office sawodo no and also I TV and I have some TV na mom ya kwama no na ase nyina na no pe no ya fama I have 5G energy drink omo adaroma way energy drink am catch up sir caffeine our form onumbia enyansun so bone and some ni pedwano so esansa bibia be ya adwuma na adwuma wo bono wo so betimi abone ye mama ni titru ni kwansa oma 5G epa ho ene aye Friday weekend aba kama minim sa moba mix ni oma hodo de awuram nyame ya no chena nyina no aye 5G na abo ma ne ma so akokama ensom adiamant yen chance dia mami wuram e wa bra chesen wa euros ni nyina no ye benya matches our bra matches out wa chesen ro eno som abas onum sa boboku a ye fa no sa aye Tottenham o makodan na ye fa no Pierre Emile Hoybier ono ana chesano wa bra koba so manya ye fan say England and so ana Denmark boy no aye Hoybier ana genia ye kan say man of the match award no and some sin now so enra na report from say kan nyina no say wo bia ya wa say ever since a manager ye fan say Ange Postecoglou abaya a chesono other manager boboku a ye fan say Tottenham boy no one should enya ni playing time said you know and some asipeno and come here say your choices adama coach your father supposed to Postecoglou na kwadano and some ashedan kambi na temi nyana nyina no samoja ba o ren father say Hoybier and so abone nyina no ama ye say megusu ameka saboboku a your father say Napoli our Italy wamom monitor and watch uko AC Milan wamom so monitor kwadana your father say Hoybier our promo nyina no and some abaso amodene ba and I update aba honsam no ye de ema ye to for enano pay and some our show so abra gusua ye kamran chomo moduba aswani asum na wachumari ya fan say euros no make a choice akotena ya fan say Nico Williams say you be upon the ball and some adama bebao our some mames na akotano menim say from day one me make a choice bonsa and some abaso mo fan Nico agene pano anya chese enranko a ya be kana sama ma ka choice nei wo be share time akoba so Barcelona wo mu socials akoto o ma ba na chese o ma socials na hwasa ya dwo mo ba Barca na akotano and some dike our listeners so ana deba konso say boy wait na down for pa and some Lamine Yamal ana chaso ko Spain omo kampa said no pay project here o say Pedri enie Lamine Yamal account ama kodana ye fan say Nico Williams so account no Barca for benyana kan kodana miensa and some abo adama Barcelona na mo mienu awo dadadiaka and some aye ba ko no mo and some adeba so na report am say kan nyina no sa kodano wabrem be a trade about to just ne close and some and na be say bia and I say 50 million no what him said here ban say na see kwabasa wo mo ka sa kwara no onhwe na on sign contract and from a side ye for say be bawo almost say enya 50 na mom ade no 58 million euros and they say boss and some also mutua menum ye no nyina no say boss and iska enya de say boss na ye kasa no wo mo som na betu enya ska de ato akwata no and some adona banti dia kan nyina no aresa ne bia la sulala ne bia Barca ye anasem pawikoi wo mo som atumi konsho omo magic na wo mo som aba bonso bakabania ye kan say 1:1 1:1 cha onya premani a won tiase anesa menya 1 Ghana na metimi spend 1 Ghana menya 10 million na masa me dini nyina ne yakra na meni obia ni chempa ana obia som matimi chemso wonya sika sia bi masa sika ayese na wusia bie it Barca de say no one say wo som ahwem say sala for no wo som betimi akodi akwata we and some aba me place wo som moduba aso na our euros no mo afema me Real Madrid o makwata na ye found say arada goulash akwada no masa too much is no Wobia unsa boy and so I jumana say 1 game of one and ya no wobia se akora ni popo na mabeka say boy ni say before the game the manager Carlo Ancelotti and some friend no yaba betro mu am what say manager no what say father figure and some other man kwadana ya fan say Arda Goulash onim say wa bro no pay mabeka say Liverpool say wo mo some abesan kabia chase boboku a ya fan Madrid and chase na kabia kwadano and so amra no mo say loan due and a Liverpool team no wait yes and a slot or no and some other best akwadane ba and some medical about to da am I okay am a catch or some medical so ba we be change Mohamed Salah and some opposition team betimi aba say bia na more Salah na wonum Jennifer so na bia nkwanko ba sa ehon kwa na bia Salah ebegina ebeduru ba bi bon say bia Salah no and some draft ba say bia Salah about 10 at the side you fan say Liverpool and Sompa bia force na bi and ya tinti yes and a slot no and some abasa akwadana you fan say ada goulash and Sompa na we dey anya remade for the be ya no abu mo de man that's akwada we dey abasa wo grow a Mr. Remade for the pass wo pa be won film a just akwadano wo mu njane na enjane tena ama akwadana you fan say ada goulash no and some emma no and some update about some no yet emma yet for anano pay and some our sure so fay young come proper our brother Sandra yet about two emma who said game no and some abaswana and nano permit the accepts no more and some emma some Nico Williams or Sinakai and some other Spain and Wakatana Masa welcome Brutana Wabra Kobasa His Majesty or no Ken Felipe our Tosusiam as Adama Spain one now was him wapeja Edin Williams no and some adi akwakwa jina konkon a chese akase bia and say bia national flag na o hoist e dia free chese e bia form anso dia kosoro asa oso mfiani yesai was 16 edunsia and was what what's 16 was now akwada was 16 years now wo bobo to say dia bia pani bia chese koto jobon katia pa masabasa wo makwada ne dia masaja jana and one year come over so and ada goulash munyina so na dendena Jubelinam no mu so ba bi oteno ayeska form na demde betu dwane say wo ko Altavilla Vicentina and bacho and the wife and chese nkwada ne hwepo Emma and Roberts nipa makoma enum enso a few na report I mean can say wabra me catch on the price say when I just ankono rush back masa pistol na yes ni panikita ne to no what a shene mama so am no ka say latest I mean yan say Roberto Baggio our hospital also no permit to jaw whatever so sa wo mo fa wrist watches watch I remember dey your boy almost sabi wo mo sa jewelries aka o esa fa sika abesi na ye hunu sika dodo an Roberts no enso afana odru Italy am say afei ana manfo atebe ha messages e bane almost support am dey ba police wo enso guso am investigation and it just no my cameras and are available am consulting no dey me nya no some messages no Bano and some Ayora, your fan Roberto Baggio, our brand was Spain, and some Italy, Alba Washabie, and some of the Roberts, no, Dominion so pressing. One must say lasted for 40 minutes. That's Anka first half, or Mamma Shanye, I second half Fansua, Bono Crano, or Mamma Shanye, or Mochino, a Chechen wife, and a Chesan Cotano, yet the yes, so man Sani too, and some Abusanos, our personal tono, where so Quacquachema, Masamka, Krabi, and almost Bibi Archers and no and some amino casa hospital no what some aqua our brown samino yet Emma yet for anano pay and some our short so shock mame I yes pain am I no corner just one ya and one was sensor maybe baby a Spain one more lodge and it's a match about some for flight crana about 3 hours and sana one more dining in no and some flight at German and as a Spain I know one more soon to one more area almost sell come back way one more say Trabasa don't share me and sana one more cocoa drew on base archers and no and some update to Abba and England a cocoa ball game now first half I'm about 1-1 yes and Hurricane say Pechenum Archesano, our Frankfurt, and yet coach and fancy Gary Southgate. One of some other can be said, and yet I'm a German can say UEFA say, one about you also to me. Now, yes, details be also Mokata, and it shall be a personal condition, and some other come and sana. At the matches, our stadium, and so about Suning, one of some other shy, Tisamo complaining, say be a pitch, and UEFA some and some Ayatimamia Kodana, your fancy John Stones after Sandra. A Kuba Somuria, our mid zone and a play player your fan stones or the kotu John say would true I am a local room and your mama paja namsa man for ninja because enkoye omu di omatam na chesa England might never qualify because some first game womu share 1-0 enra ombo 1-1 omanya 4 womu kwana come here sam enkoye at the moment our chesa group so still I'm for say wamasa John Stones enra and some akasa yentie John.
Definitely after the game, and rightly so. But if we put it into perspective, it's somewhere we've been before. We're not played at our best and got a result, which is frustrating on one hand. But again, it's tournament football, and we. I think top of the group. So a lot of positives to take out of it. I know it's very frustrating to not get something more out of the game which we wanted, but yeah, as I said, we've done this in previous tournaments and forgot about those games quite quickly. But we have to move forward next game and get another 3 points and.
Yes, I know I have branch fans, I John Stones, and I'll tell you, your dinner accepts Emma, your deal for and some unpaid was shown us our broadcast was say, way and your bready can England are call a tournament out of Krabi or Madi kind and query a toss me and querying, you know, woman to me the 2 machi Abaya Jumana Sompa Manioma and some starters at Emma England on Timino. Now the manager fans Gareth Southgate and Ra after Sarkobas also bought game I'm querying, you know, wouldn't say manager no some like a post match. Naman for yes fans will be crossing Kabea. Woman Pamu coach no our tournament anymore. Now on your own common fire game club. I'm a ball tournament in the crime year. Now Omutiri Basa all the same team way and so much your game club a probability. Sabia your game club a better the England on team way and J our sort of parties and Kenya. Ebeye ya yen sake a your coach. Your fan Southgate I'm a jogging club no and some of you MFA team no as a match a good club Amonita was sent in a personal message size nano na kweda fanisa aye Diogo Jota omunyano and some other confirmation say manager sent a message said many players one of aye juma na manager your fanisa Southgate enra after so koboy ankoy amfamano no was one kasaji tum one first 2 games and course said ya was and some esiko
through some clearly we're disappointed with the level of the 2 performances we've had. So we've got to go and analyse that in depth and find some solutions to addressing the issues that we have. And yeah, over the next few days we'll spend a lot of time doing that. We know the level has to be higher. We know the level can be higher. Maybe the biggest thing is we have to accept the environment that we're in and the expectations that are around us, and we're going to have to walk towards that challenge. At the moment we're falling a little bit short of that. Ultimately that's my responsibility. I'm the manager.
Yes, not just a no. I am some manager, fans, Gary Southgate, and Otessa, your dinner accepts Emma, your team for an annual power bro say, and one at just or no, I am responsible to also shaman your master. Now, I tell about crime, sir, or no, yes, I'm describing and say, Nasuan Dame Papa. I'm so woman and Komusana Kanama, you can't quadrum call. I want to free by Fadia, but that's what you so moo. What you own now, fetches our call. Many Janin Wubo first game. Almost a massa. I hang your clubs and Wabaya, and I not remember midfield na 10. Nadine so quench out boy, I get euros. A Kakabi Kawoje. Now about 3 back. We bought right wing back and left wing back into say. Ebia Kyle Walker. What to me crossing. And call opponent to the box no muya. I didn't Kebia Chino, one young John Stones, Ebian Fifi, Magay, Elben, Kumabia, Kyle Walker, as only far back 3, not right wing back, Enya Arnold, Emma left no, look short Emma Ball, Kobe Mainu, and it's a Sebia declaration, I'm some National Fifi, Nabi and Modi should balance my cow, Norman Ebia Chess 14, be not a second B, yes, Mukrasa, we can young drop because I'm to the Abaso Rana, your father's Harry Ken, so much Sompa and some our tournament in our form and a bimusu diri ba Sunday. I'm said yes, Quadman in Anomasu son so I'm a chess and team and so any day. Now feel 14. I'm on for say Abrebia player babo and some ama ayapa Gajola piano player exceptional. Namum okoti manager Fufobia Sama na Tieku. Enti unim said net balance on my kotana. Your father said Nathan Ake Shak. Mami Nathan Ake on also defend day. Ni teammate and our promo pre-match conference no and some about some century back could be say. Now what is teammate and I'm 14 at Tampa. One so on Yadino say one and the boy near training Jabia with City War. Now on the motto about boy Ebetim Abana the Bacani and say tournament in a boy no ever fat tournament in no Munamunya but today and some Alfama could and you must start to say and also I foul be about Sompa England Akotana your friend is 14 you'll be a bono one of some Patinate and Ake on field 14.
Well, the whole team is looking very strong. Yeah, I think we have a very good backline. Not even only the players who start, but also the players who are on the bench. A lot of experience at top clubs and play at a very high level. So obviously it gives you a confidence. But I think, in my opinion, overall the whole team is looking very strong. We have a lot of players at top clubs and who play for prizes every year. So not just the defense and the whole team. I'm very confident. Yeah, I think we have a very good backline.
Gee, I know I just away and no mess on field 14 our Broadway and some I send our carrier fan Netherlands on backline. Our broadcast on air defenders and Netherlands Timino, Wamuso Kita, our branding in our own seminal, yet the Emma, yet for an anno pay, and some our shoulders were fay, Yem our brother, and second and anno penisa, who drew a idea so much and a Basuna reporter. Memon second is a player for the same Boppy. Now, Bueno was so can be also born of a ball. Now, yes, earlier report church as a manager. And no cancer said yes, any training archers are Cotano, one shed and Tedium Pina, and one shana, or refer the same Bappy ever started game, and some other free bench, our Broadway, and so I update about this was started, and some other free bench idea. Met it is a Yashua many a chance. I started and a bono, maybe you're pushing a John Robio, and some other Copen Kunsono, about 10 was said a bear. What also about me are closing, I guess I said Jen Ransna, Ebia Chasa from Ponum. Abaya Adama Netherlands from Tumuno. Now Jeremy from Panamerican Asamono. Report to me Yanasa Bonsa. Just a one more munisca about to add the papa be also pope over Convacaso and the swagger yate Jeremy from Podia Sikanima Bra Munya yes manager for Sansa Fleckino Nania Brepa Meno Casasa Cotano and some other bantering Nania Kakra and also some free Amasua Debo Abrano Pino yet I update Emma yet Fana Jameson Canasa Netherlands almost supporters almost some Abba Stadium Abba supported Wabramon France Abonamet say and Nipan 70,000 and about a year chronimu na and woman in a better room our stadium at Jamaian Seneba 70,000 woman in some Abba supporter a year just on Maya your friend in Netherlands let me see Ronaldo Portugal I'm some alcohol now I'm about Kobe almost game Yamaya Duma and also Abasu Ronaldo as sign a year autograph at the a year fancy no woman Jesus and so now about Ronaldo as sign your Yanasa will be at the Real Madrid also JC Abba. Now Ronaldo hesitate to cry. Was any Emma Baconaudia Ronaldo and so facial as person or bra. One of some other sign Amani Pana, one at the Real Madrid JC and so I buy our Portugal Campo. Now Chester Club and Yamasa. We bet me a jibe when I'm Abacoso and so Adawa Kuma so Achesano and some update about something now. Yet Emma yet for an anno pay and some our show sooner. Jamaican can say. And say, who ram and some Bobo Crefans of Bassa Fay, Memorial Clubs and so. Yes, say Bobo Crefans of Bassa for no say, one may be almost second store. And so our Madrid na Nike for Jason na. One may Jabanos for almost this time no. One may your money at on Jason's in the person say, we are a crab Fasua. One most some Adiba Rezi, a Jessica. Na yes, almost second store our Madrid no. One most ever be and the Santini and your choir. One more fast at your Resiska. Now, boss and manager no, one monitor. Andros Christensen. Now, my catchers are Christensen was a 6 on person about ama bas oyobia or a central defender mpa matches so our bo adema Denmark ni nyina no we be on say ekokama yes manager no so ania Germany ba akodan no and some abo no ho na gentle Ronald Arao ebe so stay and say be manager no so be sa akodan no and some stay and say yes, what central defender? I said, your boss, a coach, no. I bet so build a team, no. When your central defender, remember the Kakwa, I be a boss about concede. In Tarao, Uruguay, Cotano, one and so remember the Kako, and Telecross, Moton, Emmanuel, a boy way, and so Esteno, Kosia Juma, and some Adama Bansa, and no Ayat Jeffrey Omaswaya, and so at the Abaning Nanon Samino, yet the air to Janano pay, and some I was shown so. Now, my main front one him say, who ram and some Obabo Crafan, some Manjua. My Yabaka Charles Everton. One with different and Fanisa Jarrad Browns. Wait, I know. And I mean, for about so much. Now, Mebekan and Anosa, or Fanisa Ratcliffe, or Yahweh, some Manchester and Kwana Fanante. One with the Aquadana Chinti, or my quaint, and will be able who am I bet, Emma Choma bet, and Tanya Sikana Samanta Sodia, Manchester, and some other Chuamo. I'm a Menoka, so report to Aminano, and it's a Manju Aquadana, your fan saying Greenwood. Answer, we're free at Taffy, my unit, your Omunjini BM, one across Omo Manchester and BM, Nanka I Lazio, and a Juffy, and an Uncle Park on our Italy. And some now I make a say no, Jamie said, can I say, yes, a boy, no, I'm said Juffy and a Redikai. Now, seriously, Consan about Kodia, Ebiana Tiago Mota, as I say, one of some other coach, Amabokua, your father said Juffy, everything Yafa Cotano, and some Adenako. Now, report to me, said, can I say Arsenal, one super striker, Victor Sima. Sikana no tendeto na esamanfobia shasa reported basa and Victor Gyokeres ayobi ono and some betimi assign ama Arsenal na Arsenal for so much say wo mo twen kakra sans ebia na tournament team na play bia trinity na bia sani pana wa trinity na striker wono so modom awosoro na Nico Williams no wo mo da som atetare ho akoda no so be so obobo Edema Bansa and Victor Gyokeres ono and ebia manager Fansa Mikel Arteta and some answer ebetimi aka na Jamie second say Liverpool for the first game at the manager Fanasa and a slot our Anfield Tabaya omo processing match woman some about confirmation about almost see one to Gasel Namia Dumedano as about Sunday. Now Sunday 11th August Ayada Liverpool airport game at the Etia Sevilla. When your first time at Liverpool Asia Sevilla nimsa about Europe and Ania Jomasia. Now Jaminian Saway as about the first official game our manager your friend sir and a slot about and some our Anfield and Sabia Walker the first game our Anfield Dawa Braway as anya competitive nemum about processing match at the Aya Sevilla about way Aya Anfield and as a game no and no answer about so yes many can say Sebia Luis Diaz no why yes one and so ebekwa want to be block by this Amakodan enko and sense a player there's workers on more and from Tima want to me hold Nipano against on one Kasane whale yes many can say Luis Diaz omunya around 50 million pounds woman Jan Amanu Koba Bio Baswoko now 50 million pounds na Amadia and woman to imagine now 50 million pounds no omunya woman Fabin Kao woman called Napoli a creature Quaraskilia now the Quaraskilia crowd compare Luis Diaz Biana Quaraskilia and some other man numbers actually Akodawe and so other members said yeah woman say Omania Brenya Fay and Omaba so Bia so Arches and no and some idea for Omaswa Deba on Samino yet Emma yet for anano pay and some our shows Odu Chelsea woman so Kono Galagay Umpo Yabaton Burn so Chelsea Mupo Mumpo Metamoso Tete na omoya chese omoya season ticket holders our Chelsea woman chese season biano match bi match on ticket omoya season ticket holders almost say one ba print a t-shirt na t-shirt and say a very simple message omo message and say akoba se bia omoton kono Gallagher dia womo so abate ade asim monten so womo ton kono Gallagher womo so be aote amom dide ba message wey akọ na Todd Boyle and in mpanfo no omotepa e bia na mpanfo no enso abetimi asesa omadwen Michael Olise latest and ye Olise dia no de minya no sam saa sika na yɛde ka bɛbɔ so sɛ ɛyɛ 60 million pounds no wɔn sɛ ɛboro saa na di kan kura de bɛto dwa so wɔn sɛ Champions League clause bi na dɛntɛn ɛhyehyɛm ne saa nneɛma no nyinaa wɔn so team bi abana bɛtua sɛ sika no kura de akɔda no wɔn bɛgya ne mom ɛnyɛ 60 million pounds ne kɛkɛ wɔn sɛ sika no boro saa na wɔn tiri yɛ ba sɛ sɛdeɛ Chelsea ɛkɔ yɛ Liverpool bɛn mu a sɛ wɔn kɔ wɔn ɛkɔfa akɔda no a yɛfa no sɛ Moises Caicedo wɔn bɛtumi afa Michael Olise ɛnso in fact, I'm going to deal no. We take your mom say at the day. Buy any Chelsea away. Now I'm bet to me any Bobo Kua. You find a Crystal Palace and so we said I do no. And also ever so a German our Bramano Kasai. And no I can from us where and some about 17 no. Yet the army a for an anno pay. And so our shown us on said Juve. Our Italy. One some about to me every year Aquadana. You find Douglas Luiz. Medicana to Casa Aston Villa Bueno. And so about Douglas Luiz. I don't know. Metis a brother band medical. As our Jew said about me assigning. And so I am a Juventus Bobo Canafe. My member I have Francis Fellanosona. Abumo and Twas was Shaq. Mamma I have former player in Barcelona. What can I say? Mariam Pjanic. And maybe a come. I'm born a boy. Emma Barca. Na obaye no all form pa na Pjanic baye no anhye na nkwase na Barca for no sipeno wo hwe picture na ewa kire no na hwe no on say difference wom na maybe atwa be ka say Ronaldo masa womonom agise bibi tronko na sa de kan say bi ahokire ana say bi ahia be ba pa de be che pa Ronaldo and obi kan bom say Ronaldo na oye ko ona ensom adama chese clinic na fa no sa Inspiria omono womoye hair transplant ntia bi a sanka through your kwabo na sebia through baby share mfuya no kwakwa no adwawnwi adiama na esemra yam pia ne chekokoye bi na enese wo no na sebia wo hunim ne pa wo hu ne ye jaminya ne se wukọ sebia chese Inspiria wo mo hwere mo nya hair transplant amawa wo mo se ateki besem aye donhwere no makomako ensia konwotwe na se 6 hours ade ko be se 8 hours no agise doctors ni gina so na wo mo duanwi bako awa pampamo no chese ba bia afufu ana me yesa me hwese de aboon asitie wo mo se wo mo de acha wo kra aye 4,000 pounds Inspiria wo mo se so mo start adwuma aye 15 years ni no enipa omakwa womakodua tirimi womo over 60,000 nipa mako 60,000 wobi akwa kodua nwi na 4,000 pounds no aye 76,837 Ghana 760 something million titisika wobetimi atwa as much as 7,000 pounds no and some aye 1.34 billion and aye Ghana titisika Enchene kamitinu benya pa obra na kase de sitia no yare sabe fa krom memfa 1.3 billion enko duaduani omesis kanu so ni bia na be kan sa so obi nkwan dia
o kan ze de lokre
omeso bia because am say be ma kwa me nim kwa yi na so no kwa de na kase nchenchere na ranka ho sa uni ade ni bia
parezi amana ye ya zo dia ze cholo so be kwa kudua ai Abimi sebeya. Ara yes alo kano.
Eni okodua na mfidi ade.
Jozo wako kodua fazi. We fie fu ati so wa mama no akodua tika we ya.
Obozo mo
flow ziga na abim. Si abim na ntokwa pa ebezi wo fie ro.
Memfa 1.3 billion kodua ni.
Amafo dua investment ro de nwi.
Nese utwema abu se enwini mfu a so bu wonu so akọ chese ne ha no aye kwabo wade no so ye kwabo a se won so kwanom de tawa kata se because
ho kao
ho kao la yo bo na se honi bia o pani ofase enwi bia enwi
ofase aboa wa tetu mo remu asomo ukọ abokira ofase petasi etu
o mi fo du mother
o se makodua nwi
agodua wi no so agodua ro aya se was
Messiah Junction
ever ma to aso bi mi da se na se we die
o we dua o
no ti o ze die me dua timi no e no na mo bi are ba se o no asi all nipa do say
onje wo hwe da
bye But that's about called there.
Nyame adoma hwe
Ode ales o be pass ma bele akochichi mi enya asem. Then dey maso hye.
Oh, nyame adoma hwe ni experience bi ahye. At the party me achi ya ba ye na say esum na na ye be koso aba be so.
Fami kum kakre. No dem be fine.
Yes, abudia bi ansa na mekuma me wish me nua happy birthday.
Oh, okay.
Jeffrey Akomia. Owadum. Me nua no na ya di agora che nyame nhira no na onye ne kese.
Happy birthday Jeffrey Akomia.
Nyafo ni nyina.
Lokre. Piasu Oscar.
On no so mpe Jeffrey Akomia no pe Mitch.
Oh, okay.
Mitch.
A special birthday in confirm Mitch. Azu Oscar is only na you Akomia na di amudu. Tunya was a mobile bound. And to the mobile pa.
Akomia to aso. Na yenu nkomo ne emfa free say. And there was a tense game between England and Denmark. And your ball game there are a lot of questions among for raising about Gary Southgate and the performances as a coach for the English national team.
Yes.
You see, England for no, some of them are being unfair to Gary Southgate.
How?
On the other hand side, Ebimusu make it genuine consents, which I perfectly agree with them. The entire memini ebimunya dream in terms of say omunya appreciative enough of Gary Southgate in the before Asana Gary Southgate before the English national team no, their best performance in the World Cup had already happened in 1966. After 1966, another best performance of Munya was the 2006 World Cup. And Portugal you move in the quarter final. Now under Gary Southgate, England are making the semi-final of the World Cup. England are making the final of the Euros. Within a particular space of time, England has been competitive. Not necessarily so a lot of trophies, but they've been competitive. It is can be the Gary Southgate. One, you need to be appreciative of the work he did at that time. Because we be of Calvin Phillips, Moody Mufiba, Leeds United, Declan Rice, West Ham. He was not with Arsenal. Harry Maguire, the level if you call Manchester United, then him go asiani ade ne kasa bebre ni kasa twetwe koso no. Hwe Harry Maguire under him. Obe Luke Shaw, obe Karen Trippier under him. Obe Jordan Pickford, obe Harry Kane at Tottenham under him. What's the mention? So there are individual players we could pick them and make sure say even look at the England omo project no mo ye with the EPP elite player performance plan. Omo go through that particular rank. The likes of Phil Foden, Bukayo Saka. Look at these guys into the main senior national team. Adibi wo hodoma nipa no wone boa na dia yede. Now dia mano. But baby amene omo the opposite side ne so ya adwene ye say. Obuild the team ni wie ye no. Ase omo de omo build ye no efedie from na na se kakra bi form na eti akono. The replacement to get the best out of omo de omo ba be shim no. Any problem. Wabeye adwuma na si wo Ale Foundation emu atu ba ko mienu ni miensa the replacement getting the right balance to make sure so omo betima to set there first one obe building a city koye no eno ana obre wo
the no crazy no make that comment is a onya player is
yes okansasem the clear loud and clear
Calvin Phillips way
yes so onya ka meanwhile so tournament na waba no on say even na me cite example say he built a team. Anna Cecilia Calvin Phillips no uniform. Harry Maguire play day. Now look at the spine of the team. No, Luke Shaw to play day. You are not going to get Harry Maguire for the next 3 years. And I walk up in the choir corner. You are not even sure. So Benya Harry Maguire.
About that, Calvin Phillips time now not Manchester City bench ni. That's not your friend man.
No friend, but no more be.
I do. I don't know for numbers. Oh, yeah.
No friend, no more be. You see, on Nankasa one Abu, there are people who have played so well this season on merit.
Yes.
And Calvin Phillips, also your players be on my club side and
but
recently, I know the Calvin Phillips will back community. The same as Jordan Henderson. What's the measure? It's in Kulano Moban. You need to say what in Menu. These guys, you merge you more into the setup to get the right balance. So if you say you're too young and inexperienced, Jude Bellingham has also shown so number 8 pen. Oh, Blue Shadow to money now, not to be 8, no.
Yes.
So you look at Jude Bellingham, any Declan Rice, Phil Foden at Manchester City, or more in the right half spaces. And one na Bukayo Saka so here dey. Ebo. It wouldn't never to left now. You will not get the best out of Foden. It's baby Abesanya the best out of Foden is playing in the number 10.
Yes.
And what's not did with Bellingham so So the problem is about being tactically flexible and adaptive to players now. And then the quality ne kuta as saying because it's a first in to rebuild another England team. Say no crown after the World Cup. Obi Obabiano, the core part of the build team leading around them and also build almost do tumpon. And it was sad yesterday. Michelle Hurricane, the hit map. Abu Dhabi, it was very poor as a striker. Now Hurricane hit map on in a midfield. The reason being that Hurricane will need to drop a lot deep to come and take up the ball. Hurricane hit map.
Hurricane
in Namo.
But I come here, we don't see Yana Fabi Bini do Bibia. They said you will bring coach in any other. Say the formation no bonus no. Although I can hear as our players in the Biazo no team engineering what is have an extra on time.
Yes.
They be a member be press.
Yes.
Me bobi ni ade ade. The ni nyina say koba bi si wa da for so.
Formation na e bon Hurricane midfield hit map here that screen super. At least saving is over drop it deeper. And what's any heat map no more dominant war. Opposition box is slim. A change the midfield.
I think normal lineup normal set. I remember the last time Michael Kase. Old lineup been about the team no balancing him.
Balancing him.
Obu problem partner.
Obu problem here. So one, they are failing to get the right partner for Declan Rice in the midfield. And yes, some quality war. They have quality which can blend. Jude Bellingham beat me abo. What he beat me abo.
Oh okay.
Menu beat me abo.
Oh okay.
What him I say? Up front, finding the right balance to complement Hurricane. Maybe to say, and now you needed runners. A bit to say Anthony Gordon. All day for the moment whilst they are playing with 3-back system, especially with them Akinti, wing backs need beam. You always need wingers at 1-on-1 or 1v1 or they are solid. It's now here Bukayo Saka had a very good game.
Yes.
What must because 1-on-1 or isolated itself now. No, how can a first goal here day?
A Fabai.
So imagine you had Anthony Gordon on the other side too.
The bad is there Kopama mommy adia.
So what I say?
Two goals in Nanam right. They are a right dominant side.
Oh, okay.
Omo build up in the city and Kamagwaya or more. It will bring the balance. Baby, a more lack of balance in the starting free HRO.
Oh, okay.
Right side, okay.
Shadrach. Yeah, I see picture with the battle. Shadrach. Shadrach. Mike, yako. Why?
Oh, you officially freeze.
Yako, Mike, yako.
Yes, Omo right side, you know. John Stones and a car walker. Oshe omo left side na Gwehi and our face okay and Trippier. He will be more comfortable building up from John Stones only because on the only everyone is experienced proper ball playing centre back among Ono and Gwehi. Gwehi ne ye young, ultimate body but one where obey mistakes in general check here. Ball be or the chair. Then he had to quickly come and make a tackle to block na ball in the corner. These are crucial parts. England person omo build up from the back. Omo monolong ibiun. Now the opponent ne press or more. If they have multiple options, see a build up either from the left or right pair. A boom now. Omo is so predictable. Say opponent need where to target them in terms of omo build up. A cause problems. It was a Declan Rice a drop back. And as a Trent and so drop it back. Trent is not a natural midfielder. And the role no woman no. He will be more efficient in progressing, building up.
Oh, okay.
Ball Nikitana, or progress either with a long pass and answer or spread it to no make it run to effect a cross. Until one only established build up a year option. It won't fin in Declan Rice. And also easy for opponents to nullify the threat. And then the man Hurricane drop it deep to back. So or Bobby because a human Bejina Rice and Kwanso. Say Bejina Rice and Kwanso. Opponent no some year two Oma ye overload. Omo create overload. Omo kanisha ne ho be channel. So a coach no one in terms of the selection of players. So Ofa Kobe Menu, Ofa Adamu Atina. You should have a plan on how to use them because a tournament. And our age does not really matter, as I showed. Lami Yaman in the first major tournament on your mobile.
Bonnet is our tournament in Ibida.
So you get inexperienced players, but how you pair them and how you use them. And the bemo maba no muntimimbo. While Yamal is functioning is that why not enable our right channel? Danny Carvajal. So I check here mostly say Yamal nyabo on a pair. He has two options. Baku and Inchemu which is Carvajal, and then Obi won Finfi or drop back, which is mostly Fabian. And these are options no. So when to me and Tria, these are the passing outlets, and they coach naturally. And it's a one to me mboko be menu because only experience. Now we'll try Obia Onya and natural midfielder. So all the midfield roles now.
Time na Calvin Phillips will no right. Sena or Musi Bono.
On said the entire number for Calvin Phillips DLP English fellow because of the deep line play.
Only Akomia. Tana Phillips will not know Henderson.
Not Henderson.
Phillips, Henderson, Rice to some extent. He changes alternative, but there was a constant room. Constantly, say Rice or Phillips, one of them will mostly play. Then Henderson and then Bellingham. And so you have alternative. Yeah. Then it comes to another option. And no, until I'm a team selection. If you select Phillips or select Rice, Henderson, they are giving you multiple options. Then some new Jude baby there, Bellingham no ebetimia babebo. But on selecting Kwadamienu, Adam Wharton, Kobe Mainu, they are occupying how many slots? 2. Sa 2 no. And Kabet may replace it back on with Jordan Henderson.
So like Aqua Babedu and maybe Nimizana Becky and England for the problems. Tabanapo schools war form.
Yeah.
Nala Pad war for Parasteriano. And they have for Kaya may do baby or the Iba Bishim. Guide by.
Yeah.
A balance, a man, a balance,
exactly.
But that time, no, the cycle for the bus and results in the
also, the reason why, if you have Bellingham, Calvin Phillips, Declan Rice, you have the right balance in ESA. Calvin Phillips could shield your defense and be your first point of contact in the first phase of build up.
Yeah. And I know you will lead.
What did they mention as no? He's on the ball. Or quick transitional passes be. Or done in one runners. No trap. Declan Rice gives you this particular role of an aggression. I say on the baby tackle, no abeg boss. So Declan Rice your got to so. Calvin Phillips your pello. Then no Henderson on the base seed off row. But Henderson no guys I get the bonnet. They are too rigid in the midfield. Games are more person who defend it. I say they don't want to give the opponent so many chances. Into ever sana or 2 players somewhere and but Bellingham becomes your seed off in this context. Say all linking the midfield with attack as the number 10. No in your right balance. But you see them say as I would write
the person couldn't replace Henderson here. Gallagher.
Okay.
But issue is say now he's playing the base of 2 midfielders, which is Trent and Rice. Gallagher and Rice, they are incompatible. Yeah, they are incompatible. You need their pair now. Compatible they're way to mean way their way Gala and Rice and without the ball they do the same thing into why not ball in the amount why now passing meaning said they make he has selection issues and blame no me a corner. One, a coach puts faith in the players team no dear lucky what do you do? One, me a coach I won't start Foden and Saka in the same game.
No. Your coach out starting Foden and Saka.
Foden and Saka is the same. Yeah. For balance purposes. The Saka amount of Foden be. So they are options, not teammates. Foden is efficient when he operates from either the right or the middle.
Oh, okay.
So 2 positions ni nano are occupied by players who are either equal to him or better. 1. Number 10 position, or Bellingham have better this season than Foden. On the right, coach needs or trusted Saka because Obetima ye Jumane Diamano. So in this case, Foden ye equal to Saka as a right winger. Bellingham ye better than Foden as a number 10. So drop your Foden fan a bench. Or if you think or a Premier League a player of the season, now be born there, drop Saka. Now Foden. Yeah. Then now right or no, you compensate with either a left-footed winger on your inverted, and that can be Jared Bowen. And now say a right-footed winger who is inverted. Now adma balance no honor afa. Say banesa o right-footed winger near left. So a right side winger and a left. Onya ball no beka wom.
Yeah.
And our left in
Saka can also provide an outlet by so Chikono across the aba. Meaning said this said the Bellingham go the buy.
Yeah.
Then the right-footed winger and also always speed sir. Either so also can wom and answer or the court box nim no why left-footed cross shot at the aba no be able. And no more better option because for the no on the ball no and running and call wing side na on crossing back. And me the way to Mr. Shadrack Betua, England or more attack side now. My name is not attacking side like England attacking side. Who's a right on no my human pan because left on the combo name fa.
Or then share the new.
And fa and I'm thinking also progression no esote about from and affording your 4 shot. Baby your ball shot who point.
So the action zones no. On the right hand side near 40%, middle 28, left hand side 32. So action zones, middle third 50. On third 28, opposition third 22.
Enti omo boni in age na in film ho who the omo dey
short passes.
A team that is lacking ideas.
Yeah.
And a selection problem. England have players. But coach, any baby away drew no. He's struggling to get the best out of them because our Kane a top scorer of Germany.
Yeah.
Bellingham, one of the top scorers in Spain. Foden, he was on a very good goal scoring season. Or EP on him.
And he's the best best player.
Yeah, best player. So how do you find the perfect balance? It was all sacrificing.
So it was a taking bold decision.
In the natural way, Kane and the bro or Breno. Play Oli Watkins with Kane.
And
no. Ma Oli Watkins and Kane and more.
And no Belmuno. You could see Oli Watkins running into channels so well.
Exactly.
But that be your no crown no count or no the form no they ban so and you're bad.
Exactly. Mr. Coach, is struggling now.
But I say
how to use them.
These coaches or must wear them power.
No, and yes, or must wear them. They are conventional to a fault. Na say die ye den say best
say everyone.
Are conventional to a fault. The only English manager now call no from Kakrano will be Kevin Keegan.
Oh, okay.
KK. Or no na ne ideas na as at that time no. Na more modern than the typical way. Because Glenn Hoddle or more barber file line na the same number more breaking our traditional mokofa.
Do baby normal the man on
Ericsson, Monet, Capello, Mobile. But they also struggled with the same thing. It has actually been a problem for England for some time past. Exactly. So break the convention and Southgate started here with this. The man who see no. Breaking the convention or starting a first 9 England formation 4-4-2.
Yeah.
He broke it.
Another battery back.
Good. And also feature Muaya 4-3-2-1. Until you have showed that he said the knack is ultimate Sanyo.
So why now?
Now. And yes, on Sanyo Memo, it is about roles and how to use players.
Wow. Biggie,
Mike Mike balance no. Na ye movie could spin there na.
Yeah, mom corner mon share na me no ma na say on komo bibidi.
Why balance no say in terms of getting the right balance. Now na me share Spain. Once I catch us say omo na the most balanced team.
Yeah, o can last time.
At the Euros.
Yeah. Me one player I me doubt was Fabian Ruiz. Be me za kwa no ball no. Oba Spain na
say
Oba Row Benny the man. So
Babi ga akwaro on the ball wa mama fini days na no Napoli.
What I say?
On the ball
Shadrack can provide a data based on the Spanish midfielders Omomiensa. And you understand the reason why Pedri, Fabian Ruiz, and Rodri they complement themselves. Obiana the strength in the weakness. Now on this particular graph there is screen so Mike, you could see say Pedri are one empire then key passes. Fabian Ruiz are one dem pa Ejina duels. Anna Rodri are one dem pa on the Pedri ni Ejina carrying forward passes, progressive passes. So now you have players who are complementing each other for their weaknesses. Fabian Ruiz no jano betima pass ball no sa no jina fa no prepare. It will a PSG anytime obebo with ebia Zaire Emery Vitinha na omutimi gina omo ho ball mo vivi wonom sa fa ho.
Yeah.
It is ebia ba ko bi biem na Vitinha no spread the ball ne de call. But with this, you have Rodri who also have a very good strength when it comes to forward passes and progressive passes. Then you have Rodri who deals with the key passes. It's Rodri are more focused on making sure best splitting defenses. Anna Fabio Ruiz na adwin nani so no be win ground duels, area duels. Sanyo money na so also complement here Rodri. Then Rodri will start the first phase. Rodri, never they almost complement in the defensive action.
Seems almost midfield near solid.
Mike, this is the right balance. You will have to get it.
Oh, share a dini way. You might not even select this midfield way, lineup.
No correct.
Omo multi bench, any omo because Mikel Merino bet me abo.
Yes,
meaning Zubimendi more they cannot play, but it is the coach finding the balance in terms of their way, Why ne bet me abeshe mukina? And he said Rodri no ebe progress now born yesaya. One role I will be play to disrupt. Now say ye ni born no dey nye engage in duels. Hona way no Fabian wo. Now ye je born ye progress Rodri into me by 18-yard box in him. Endra the first chance for Spain came from a midfielder, ne header, why Pedri.
Yeah.
So roles are diama and so one yan is football no you will select Akumiasi Spain for the best balance. Mame Germany nya argument in Famano.
Yeah, for Germany
have the best balance. The best balance setup. Omo defensive lineup. One, they will play a high line. Omo will keep a sweeper in Neuer.
Yeah.
Rudiger, Jonathan Tah offer you rigor, physical aspect, tough tacklers. Omo your ball winners. Now, omo your physical no omo progression nye. Until anytime Germany started build up piano, Tony Cruz drop back home on now back three. Cruz will progress. In Tinka American football or they man say quarterback.
Yes.
Good. No trap passes nesim. Robert Andrek ebe cover the space now Cruz beja won fin ono. And to say Andrek ni ye juma be but he's able to provide say yeah ma opponent ni man be share so won fin about Tony Cruz ajiako. Obasa na opponent ni bi triba fin bio. Then the flanks no war. Metal Start or Joshua Kimmich. Then now Gundogan Ashem Kwadani Finfin, the striker Kai Havertz becomes free, but he also joins. So Germany always have options. They also have one of the most balanced squads tournament to England, with the names. A bit me find the balance. Usage. And I've said this tournament will be about coaching.
When you crack, last year, chance your baby the tournament will
be about coaching.
Of course.
But a coach is
from the Spanish national.
Hey, now Raskukuzo.
The confidence level.
Confidence level. And he has been so consistent before the season. The crumple will be ending. I think the only player who's to me Tian Palman who was Anthony.
Anthony why?
Anthony Onyade.
Anthony why?
Anthony Onyade.
The
only player to me Tian Kukureya last season was Anthony.
But United Anthony.
Oh yes. Go back and go and watch that game.
Hey, Messiah.
What's your name?
Message you are the good morning boss player. Your show is live here at Cantamanto, Accra. Regards to all the crew. Not forgetting my main man, Akomia, Chairman Antonio Foy. Dada.
Yeah.
Chairman, Richard Suits.
Chairman.
Dada, all the guys in here, chairman of people.
The Italian national team, Mike. Also before the tournament, because Italy and Kasama, Momunye team or the strikers in the tournament. On maybe tournament, they don't strikers in the Belgian cooking, but they are defensive unit. And sometimes I wonder how two left-footed players are playing centre back and they play so well. But then unfortunately, Calafiori will feel. Now they say after the game, a lot of people went to him. No one in the casa, a bit tapping behind the back, Asian him crying, say,
but Calafiori news on the confidence and I know they bow.
Yeah. He's one of the best defenders in the tournament.
The confidence and I know
they say about Premier League now, Anka or a top 5 rated centre back.
Yeah.
Somebody Maguire,
yeah.
Chris Afale. Calafiori you nimbo ne boss in the cry. But it's because Yadri neatly so we barely watch the Italian league and we hype them. Boys no more England no. Men do be abem omunimbo ne bopa. But a lot of better talents are there. Bastoni is a top 2 centre back in the Premier League.
Bastoni.
Or a top two. Calafiori top 5 centre back our Premier League in him. But it is about the exposure, the hype.
tournament.
And Andrew Abon is unfortunate. He was just because Nico cross a ball with pace, and air from the left, or a left-footed player, or bar, Nimrika no obetu with the left in the first. So none and nine be a pivot. Or yes, or the 9 neck level and the number Ebekwan as a bay. And one so a right-footed Kobet me about born or done no no bobono Eddie Frio. And that is the unfortunate thing. But these things happen. Even after says some mistake, but he had a very good game. Very good game.
But I know because left centre backs me, left footed centre backs. Every this time coach is in you. Oh, I don't know this. About this time modern coaches in Abano. And they said, we see chair guys in a ball, no ball. Every the last time I now hear a champion interview, I know can't see me. This time coaches are coming on team chores or 9 years being come 20 fans of a ball. Yeah. Oh, Ali medium a ball, no more. Not me to no mean say na defenders no mo de omo bonus no mu nyina omo ye left abdomunem no because team na me no ball on pass.
You're right, but what they do now they say dominant foot here fan say right you should that you training a year way or the left and nkwa na bebo ball na be and they see training first touch or nine na on fan ball bebre no fair no fire until they no na first touch and I say and the fair no pass say you will still try again. Into a moya repeatedly will train. Exactly. Into a moment.
Now the year you club.
Minima dear. Once I mention that. Mention that spend their time with team be training grounds in Windsor.
That's how I could team the training grounds. Who's our
one day no to me. Maybe a Saturday now because no you training for free. It's going to me.
What is I make Abdumunem no? Oboba Kromano. Some boy never beton left in Zakomia. O team the ball long pass.
Yeah.
E beton right no so. No diabo.
Yeah.
And did you not tell me Janame Press or here Juma Kwale yellow?
Exactly.
And that's how they don't tell who be Kroma.
Yeah. Even in the Egypt national team of the BAFCON, almost centre backs in our well playing centre backs, comfortable with playing both foot anyway. But minimum time they will be watching their agenda one year. But Sikebia Saudi Arabia for the baby Kudus one genonko. We can't carve Kudus in the football career and in the destiny man. Yeah, maybe and now yet to for any appear. Go for the money. Kudus is a boy picked from the street to become a professional footballer. One, Wabeye success, he's achieved it. The next, baby Odu and a career mono, is to make sure there is financial fulfillment. Club will be anywhere Kudus member or Europe on Bewa and it said the Oyeno. Ghana ha, Awahu Benyan Okruma ya. West Ham among young families are.
That deal no moon say.
Deal no moon say. Messi say bibia e pepe ponko this canon on kwasa.
Is that what it is? Zeblu et say.
O say
deal no moon say no.
They are serious about him omo peno. Me name the financial details. Bibia sign him na be details no, but I am saying Kudus sika no mo offer na say ye nko a onko. Now obo Saudi Arabia, it does not mean you can't contribute for your national team. Euros no. 15 players from the Saudi League. Omunyina Bobby. Obiano Watana bench.
Omunyina be starting.
Sandra Laporte boy. He was the last player from Saudi Arabia no Nyambo game.
Now there's one league in the show. You know, offer the
100% usage rate. Ewo Euros. AFCON champion. Obo Ivy Saudi Arabia.
Ibe to the far says mentia
Kudus almost 2 years before mainstream.
Nanyane.
We are no Jauko.
Almost 2 years.
2 years or the
Abu. Aside say scanner war him said money scanner pay. But I know say Kudus could be in contention for maybe in the future African best player of the year. And I say individual accolades or individual awards be
Abu
baby Kudus just say Kudus abeka che no ho kire na.
Oh, they be say so yen
African player.
What how this so betimi nya.
What the mention?
So you want to be African player.
And Kudus in Kanye say no ho kire no. And who knows if Kudus next step he signs for either Manchester United or even Chelsea.
Who knows
or
if he gets injured?
Any other club. No, Omoka so member Kudus. You amount £200,000 a week.
Who's the debut? Say, no call the bar.
No. Abu Onyabutre.
No call about the
Saudi Arabia. Onyabutre.
Say.
Kudus.
Debut no call about support to Michael. Adina da winini. O say me change na try on.
What's it?
Tomorrow is not guaranteed though.
Abu the football level na branti bo
akoya ya no la make who live the dachi
ye wo kudu se
so na anim se bi zo ko no so me for so make you don't even know
ye wo kudu se 100 wo Europe in Saudi Arabia you will be held as a khe enya kudus kroya na Chelsea for share na abu ko fa ko pa
abu kudus has the option to play per level na kudus so down the Premier League he has the option to play for the likes of Manchester United, Chelsea, Arsenal, Liverpool.
I'll make Chiat is all for you.
Na Manchester kroya twa say Manchester twa Manchester yen
I no na ambe Maka me za de ko ba ka na pochi ground
bi ansa no be kwa no Africa da Saudi Arabia ska enreda
almost 2 years in Vanyane.
Saudi Arabia ska no enreda
there be person me ti akomi asem 2 years no or body aye den
or the G one best and or the G Africa
2 years no to establish himself among individual because yeah Ghana be kwa AFCON company kwa AFCON na best player was Saudi Arabia
like you say Ronaldo Bobo Saudi Arabia
Frankesi Ivory Coast or your magic
yeah Saudi Arabia Saudi Arabia the African best
akoya
Saudi Arabia
akoya AFCON obeyere no ball be Ivory Coast Fofana yeah Saudi Arabia
Saudi Arabia the African best
oh akomi adu
team dia why not it's all league no was so
Saudi Arabia dey
akomia ntu one menya adwe say Saudi is all league
you have a player who could be playing in the Champions League adi ne kobo Asia Champions League
project no mo ye no
me no ana Saudi Arabia team no pen no can say team mo ye top ho Al Hilal bi kwa na nke pesa yi Mohamed Kudus kwa Kabonini
na why they say Al Ittihad nye top
Al Ittihad nye
top how many times has Al Ittihad come up FIFA Club World Cup kwa na say o ma ba be board Asian Cup no kwa ba beji no
ntu also on train England say in 2 years or
abu
nanya den
ebeza
ana say ni Al Hilal kwa ke be bo age so
yeah but what say Saudi league no European leagues no be bra mi ki aburo so aburo European leagues no be brezo
yeah
abu team baby obosisi an
for the first time in our history you bought a major European tournament European continent no Saudi Arabia can who be o but omo tournament kese pa for national teams Saudi Arabia kwama 15 players this is 100% growth rate the next Eurozone dey besi
bebre 15 is one by obia bobi
we are talking the future they say the Saudi league although emerging it is now penetrating a realm into difficult terrains
Kudus in country say na ni abre oyeska na ska
akobi asa 7 days jaka o na we asa 1 day yeska
we so obi here
we see you go fight be for who yeska
asamaja ko UAE Abueli or China 12 Jan's best
Mr. Kudus has the opportunity to do a lot in Europe.
Jan the best moment for Saudi Arabia. Osise goals abeye we no bo we Asia. No bo we Europe. The best moment for Ghana pa no. Say national team. No time no we Asia. China ne UAE. Our ally ne.
Do also on kono
me say prekonam ye dinisho in football. Ye nkase o me de ko shed the dating. Who knew what will happen to us?
Eneska biani yedi.
Remember you to for when you appear me to for body bia
when you to for you appear 7 years
akwala lord try to check golf we so law compendium said what did akwa je no
me abu I still stand by it me say Al Hilal ana say I'll vouch for Kudus to go
by it here the man enko
it
na say ka kingdom clubs in
anti okwe be mo ayo na ngolo konte mo ne Fabinho mo ne Karim Benzema mo
Kudus will even have much more bigger opportunities to achieve personal accolades than even going to Saudi Arabia.
Mate, medabase ya ba fie la. Ya baba be din komara mon kangen energetic drinking water. Ya ka etimiera choze nyensu bia na also kokoko no manfa. Wadwimu kokofa bi etimiera be na nche na nkofo e kama koma me kidney, me yem, me liver ne ade ade. Me ba jo e wo so bo modena nyensu kroje be boama ne ma dadin pa. Etimiera mantinsu amede man ye kangen energetic drinking water. Na emu de ye papa ni hanze minerals awdona e bi ti se calcium magnesium potassium ne iron ne uma e bo asiesie ni pedua na ma ne ma akoye e sambo yi ntinimu e ma moja ni timi die fusane kama pa ma wonso no gina ona so ma ne ma akoye pa e timi eramantie no a na nkofo agere atuma mo e no meboa ma ne ma akoye ma brema UGC anado ani chemo Tafuni road Abaru junction no obomode na wetimi akwa dodo na form na ma no to mo nkra Ghana be bia obia ye de bi bebro 0241 44 9191 0241 449191 and 0507 37 9474 0507 37 9474 Niambo Naneman de Din so and from our 21st can examine Kanjo Zebra Nabra be Romo Maswe na nobo mudia na ya wa wodo na egani na so mo expert in sciatica ne dendi ne de ba ho se ne ya ne ha dwenti tu ya ma me ne papa mo a ya mukodwa no o transiche enti ama to asinti ne twetwon ama onante no na bibia o ware ntu anoma debi no o baba bebubu nti o se ni utimi ram na po ama ogya na so na ne makoyie pa enti merma ya wa no ebi di ze maria o ye bema na wa emre wo mpam yo ba mfi o ne mankoyie wa peba unye bia 21st clinic media mo na mane tu afa ne doke ni nkomana kan ha ne mbo o mo lab a kwa ye bedu suru bibia aye ne hye scan services ne koso massage no nei no eye weekend no Friday bia to for ne massage the machine treatment ne kan ho a ya na mo edeyi papa etimi ra mo ebebo ma nipadua no etimi sisi no so more than 15 branches Ghana bibia omo ye djuma Kumasi ahwe overseas junction omo bena free the Obuasi council quarters ko junction be omo Accra Domi market tu nyomo sunyane nkranza techima bibia omo ebo djuma 0249 311 0249 311 0540 311 0540 311 yambwa nane mandida di enfama Leicester Ghana Limited semenka ever Jose no mo de yas toothbrushes no any toothpaste out on aba be rama konfuguso amo eto ti oze onsoro utu anamona kokojo de na ebo ma nyama koyie pa e de eman se na emona Duke Prince Princess and afi dashes awdona and ni nkwada de no so no ye bomode etimi ereka nwebo ma hyehyere koyie ma no ye de ababa be rama na kokojibi na eba no toothpaste awdona ya toothpaste ya se ba na afi ya whitening no ye de ababa be rama ebo ma se na efita no wanumu ye hwam na osini nya anwoden asawa yikikawa bia aka wanum na efi ama so no wagya na so na ma de ye pa etimiera mo ebu adwuma se professor bi ejina simpie so ani oye ne dwuma no wo chance ye di twa bon se 3 days pepepe ayi nkana ma ase no wa ye dina wanum no aye amti no o pedro na edum pizza cake around about o na baro 0501 3903337 0501 3903337 0501 3903338 0501 3903338 ni aboa ama ne ma koyie pedi ama cloud internet no njo di akọ na kokojene no na nenkofo agye atuma ebo ejuma wa fifie ma hodo na afi so no ejuma hodo na reliable na afi no affordable internet unya na iso ano the internet connectivity wifi hotspot development CCTV camera installation ba na digital security locks no na afi web hosting dey aka kana me pacho cloud internet no wo so bomode na GB na ebo ma na makoyie pa etimi element offices hodo na number no 0202 699 110 0202 699 110 na 0244 610 933 0244 610 933 be pacho topai obsi love FM mo ene kuma umaru abanyina e wa bansho ba kuma mo ebo ejuma ebo amane ma dadi pa e de mo ma daru ma den ye ba pe mema na ye krado ye ramu na afisem no ato aso kama pe de amamo
Wana metesa wo ba no se wo Canada.
Oh, woko suku.
Na yesi ajape aba no nso okọ na nso no de okoye adwuma.
Me say, amanfo akọ no. Enya gro.
Jaye no hwa na de won kosa no.
Oh, Express Group for ya.
Express Group.
Yes, Express Group. Obia na nya bre. Pese otukwa ama no ne de. Wo de obekọ simple. If you want to study and work in abroad in any of the advanced countries like Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany, they will take you there. Next year visit and now turn so we call Dubai, Canada, UK, USA, Australia, and Germany numa what they call say ya juma so what they call Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. And if you want to write an international test like IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, GRA, and GMAT, they will assist you to write. Asafo labor roundabout wa and crying Kanechi First Light, Tema Community 18, Lashibi Goy Filling Station, Sunyani Silver House, High Court, Tamale, Ayama Building, Tamale Teaching Hospital, Takrade Market Circle, and our offices. Our my bebre so telephone 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Mamishe time HH herbal mixture bi na wonumi ene wa tadro pa eya dro say emma nipadua nkwamwa no enya hoden na akotia yare entwen yare ansan wakwakoto fire wadro na nom no abribia Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebedwaso no wono a and the time HH herbal mixture edia bedwaso akra wonyanya mfisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo makra nufuo enso enum bi time HH herbal mixture wo benya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH herbal mixture yedro say FDA agye edwadie nkratoe atum
the ones that now from toothbrush no why and toothbrush no ninya Ashford
na ninya Ashford there na so evident no way
who that the evidence ben that ninya Ashford toothbrush
oh sweetheart Ashford toothbrushes no you want different types she abena dey amoku hu Ashford Princess and obra kodudie no so Ashford Galaxy wodie na ira no so Ashford Evident media so Ashford Executive and now media no so Ashford Friendly
without Ashford toothbrush
my dear Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear papa moto ne to me bro dodomi ye dani bia akwahihye ho Ashford Prince Ashford Princess Ashford Friendly Ashford Evident Ashford Executive ne Ashford Galaxy toothbrushes Fibo Ventures na akofa bedwaso etu phone 0241 545 646 and 0200 600 934 Ashford toothbrushes they will soon need.
If I shop, I'm sure you'll buy it.
Right, and not so beautiful.
What time about Michelle see about Queen Wayne and say?
Bra, said your time about Misha, it's your Jimmy me fearful, and not the about ever so.
Maybe I know this offending now.
Bra, so me cousin me the time about Misha one dance here. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria. Where do any time about Misha?
I never go, dear, no more to want to me any deal. What do any time about Misha? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear one mark for down for any aquada when you fear do me and son of the time about Mr. Draven. Shasta Wako Hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever be at Ziba, a woman. Ever trap. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to Namu. FDA Aji a Jadian Kratoi at home.
Brakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumadi wo nipadua biara pom den ene na brabo mu ne hia yi pa enye brakasa nko nuaba ne haban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba yi binom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye dia ye brakasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afrimpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni nsuhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekese powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantwa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 prekese powder aduane san yedro FD ahwehwe sankratoe mu agiatum
Efiewuranom mo fam asomfa mekakra na enje sama bakrom mo amodan ho papai mo ensuoso no nom fam no amekọ nyina frofro any leakages ahodo eham wo mu fie iPon2 contractors added the polystyrene insulation aba eno na babua medan na papai no ene ensuo enu nom dan ho ameho nyina frofro no eto nyina betwa iPon2 contractors say so what to blocks na wia enhia so be plaster kra bi omo wo fiber cement plastering mortar ye dey fa dan ho nyina enhia so be to cement on twa anwia
bia na wo hia painting so esan say iPon2 contractors e the fiber cement plastering mortar no efa ho wi a ebe te say the painting dan na wi mpo enti dan ho be ya so na ha fefefe iPon2 contractors ama say de nema yefo e de ama fie wuranom ne bo nso da fom na efe wo de your dan so e chemfie pi na emfa e hyew bia so e maw dem iPon2 contractors are expert in construction, interior and exterior decorations. I will fear who do nyinem. The here ni sober from 0555 118 684. Shishayang.
Ewa Abrepo Junction, ship mu a ben JP filling station.
iPon2 contractors wo we die. Enso bia no num ye dan bie. Dan ni nyina so be ye fafi ball.
Original Games 2024. Wole Monko. Ghana's all-time top scorer, former Blasters captain, Samuel, the Baby Jet at the Original Games 2024 edition of the Beshishaso Original Games, a mini Olympics. Just a mantum doing Sia walk. I will buy Ghana Muno, woman now be Siaka, Emu Ebi. Now the Tiani said, we are Babuno, so your bar and now Bema, when you finish here, a do a tree air corner, you will can see outdoor. Ebi any football, volleyball, arm wrestling, boxing, athletics, basketball, table tennis, and a lawn tennis. So nimsa gremu bia oyadia, but what you call your website www.alloriginalgames.com. Neko register Emma Omantamu. The unya there registration no eye ebia Ghana card, and now o passport or national health insurance card or birth certificate. And on how to register. So your registration here, you be my data. O de be ko mantam a wo mu no na wakoye justify your inclusion. O modi mo so ni pe mantam no ebe fa wo. E de wo aka one final team a wade ba the grand finale a ebe ba so 4th November e wo enkra no ho. E ho na trophies, medals, and ya chede ahodo a eda so no. Mantam no nyina ebe hia no mo dia face so embenefosia magani amagashia ene hu amagaho. Sa wo penchemu bi afre 0267 084048. Jumedie so person so asene and now sponsor. Call your website www.alloriginalgames.com. Original Games 2024. Wole Monko. So wope wallpapers papa OP wallpapers and American for amount. So wope wallpapers decorative offices. So fee and sorry. Say perhaps ahodo. Baby bia unya wallpaper de do juma biano. OP wallpapers efro. Yama wallpapers ebe match blind curtains. Eba bedside lamps and so OP MR types or mark shapes. Colors ahodo ni nyina. Ubenya bia to e wana so ho. Say OP LED backlight above flash screen echia. And also OP ebe so selfie ring lights, I do phone bishim, OP wallpapers, and a bema selfie ring lights. OP, Ewo Kumasia Doom, first floor, Nana Kwesiajman building, Tafo GNTC building, first floor, and a chronom or barrier on the market and a DNM share. So open wholesale and answer retail, any OP, any in South. Free OP, I was 0540 353750.
The Mama Kwababa, Gentleman Dental Clinic, you do and say you be CC was saying, now your boy was saying, by Ama Num, and so Ati, and I said, was saying, any more so far into my part. If you fix one, no, and I said, you type for the permanent one, no, and also you see a ultimate aim to give, and no, and you feel the PFM bridge, and I say PFM crowd. I feel you sign a cleaning services about your profession, your friend is killing and polishing. Say, Ibia, and never be as she a cinema, said you Okasa, it's me, my pampan, and I did ever. Now, Oba Gentleman Dental, you yet need to be a Gentleman Dental Clinic. Koforidua Central Police Station and Chenwa and I would do and kind so sway wonungwa and atomic down domekwa binya runabout on so and I would do takwa the pipe one traffic light na ewo pipe one yene OGN bank na wo the same premises and Kachiman so yewo magazine market kwan so wa and I say opposite AY Ahmed and Udru Kumasi Abrepo Junction total filling station wa traffic light na enihwe G runabout on free total filling station na yabron sign na edi ho ye adwuma free eda joda kopem eda memeda with me afreya homa no e was 055 913 9582.
Yeah, Kojinsa Nujumati was Skill Point Training Institute. Skill Point Training
body baba be ramna fisema to asere manamum no Kulun Ghana Limited semenka emphasize no pe quality Chinese service o mo na dia ba ababe rama e bana ababa be boama nso no we gian na so na ne makoye pe timiara ma we be ma ojunso ntente mojunso mu apae o ho a na chesi nso bi fiu be ma no ba wadunso awie no na san so we che o wa te se wa yase eyo yaron so prostate no kantiko na kokoji ntun capsules ni bi na no na be boama we gian na so na sa ha no nyina ayere fiu amane ma di imperative miramana Mr. Kill abedi amaye mema no masisie no munya den gina wona so na bo adwuma na ye ma mo piafo na o de pema ya uza mpa bema na be adwuma o bema mu ana abo ama na ma koyi pa etimi ede ama se o wa o libido na ba form and afi wade no crowd bre ansa na wa koba kono ase giana na so bo so ba kuminu a na o da ya Mr. Kill ebre na isa how no etimi de fu ede ama arba bazen tablet aba etimi ede ama yenu ama no ba de ama cancer infio no o ma ho twa yo pa de beji ne ama bebre nyesa na ama na yebisi ba sa ya be ba be obeko kweku be ba be obeko kujo be ba be obeko ona mo fefefe na ezen kofo hwehwe obebi sa abosome so bunse mba ye era fezu bunsa na ka odwe eno su kwaji ya pampa e wom ni niam na nhyeda end da ya arba bazen tablet urwani echomo kolina ke ba dani ba misia ba a blessed wo kwa he ba panasia pharmacy ene ne pharmacy ferimense ba era fe so no pharmacy ni chemical shop bia e wo bibia wo bia ne mpatamu bia no okwa ebo na nupa no setimi akabi o number no 0244 275429 0244 275429 0206 271016 0206 271016 ni anjo so na mboa ma ne amande da dimpa emfa ema groza k zina kwenya ba na groza k recruitment agencies yenka etimi emfa ma ze ne yeboa na ma visa no wetimi agene loan ni nyina ze ba na kwanto mu nsem so okọ akakoye adwuma mo na ehye ya eye work and pay dia ze visa loan dia ozo okọ na onso kokoko gibi na amozi na adwuma die na yebo modem netimi ape ere amama onso wakọ etimi akọ di no eni se de munchemu no esi etie no esi na etie ze no e mesi na steel fixer we a fabricator we a welder we a production ba na so e foreman na afi so no e ba na adwuma hodo na yensa no dwuma onso no wo na se wo akonya wo ho na se poni bia onso okọ a obetimi akọ duba mpatamu na na yetimi edwodrom ne aboa ma ne ma deda dimpa etimi edi ama kama pa ade yan zo passport no ne ade na ready ni na no yebeboa na yetimi ejama ne ma deda din so etimi aramantu akonya so mo forms no obebo mo de no mo branches awdo na wetimi akọ pikibi na aboa ma ne ma deda era ma ezi dwumadi akọ di no wanya krabe se 3600 de ko ekokura me se 30340 Ghana cedis ka obetimi nya na bosome ne aboa ma ne ma deda din so no etimi edi ama na ntoto no akoyi kama pa etimi aramantu zu betimi afre na oni o makasa na yaboa na o training no yere wa for na registration no so no ya ye etimi edi ama no number no 0552 832 681 0552 832 681 wabwa na ni Groza K recruitment agency edin komana ne ma deda din so era ma Ghana Groves mpe voze bra na bra be romo maso na o ma bed ya ma ye mbabunu no se wonye mfie no dunu mede kokoro ma duasanum no from 15 to 35 years no so yo ba na be ma ya bomode ne shawdo na etimi aba mo hihye mu no ene omene Mastercard Foundation and a Springboard Roadshow Foundation Limehouse na kabuma yetimi era bana opportunities awdo na se na isietie yeze na eba na agriculture eba na agri business technical and vocational skills no ye ro fast entity nu na so no waba benyanim de ho a ebeboa ma wegua na so na dwumade bia wo kwakodi bia no aboa ma ntoto na ko yipa etimi era ma nti o number no 0308 255 775 0308 255 775 na ne omo akasa ne aboa na hyehyɛ no so no adeda yi kama pa etimi era ma nti o madaroma yanko me manaba ne ni nkomo akra na yehwe afisiam no sidi sitie na on family mu kakra ma me emze nenemre ne keteresi bi ni adia Lutaken
International Abu Dhabi
Lutaken
Abu Dhabi
kena bibia boko de
nyame adumo na akomia na no ye me fa na no pai
ade waye de
watete na bodwe se no kama na omom de yomo asafafa ho a
adi wana waya kono aba ni midi ba kono
Ofowa hene champo
di back
ayase contractor me hwese china me de be ka ho amna yakopiem amanten no
amanten o
china na one birthday gala na eba so
okay
ti Sompa parliament represent
Sompa parliament omo fa ye dwuma de ni ndi agro omo ko akopiem ho
e 4 teams na ebo
okay
e amanten o hene no wa amanten na ni birthday omo bogala enti no Sompa parliament be team na police fire team na drivers ay team na one the group of companies ay one team
okay
and teach never say be kwa kubo bia maso
omo fix me wo e wa me say poso ya che na me kokko poso a be we ka be twa che say yanko be bia say ya na wo be
bi ko to dwenye
pare ko be bia
right mama sha senam fan sam nu wo mfa mam na no pai na ye boni titau e dia mama me sha sa free nyame pa on the 5th of July ni nyina no se Ghana be sengege ha ebede ni nyina no se Roma Democracy Cup the maiden edition etimi abaswa crowd of folk 1911 and 1935 club eno ye crop bia kuma Sasante Kotoko ena omde pimso na Kotoko for say o mu de ehwe ebekum eye heart of folk omo bomb back and front enti so mo say the third one appear so na the Roma has team no on be resume for training I prepare for Democracy Cup on Monday na Roma na no ada ye Roma mrashebe dwafie speaker etimi epa Democracy Cup no ntuma na upon no sidabi football ne de eye passion mo man no na obia so no akoma de akire na mom sa na otwenum ena na Black Stars abo ye World Cup qualifier against Central African Republic enu ntino wose bebre at the pressure so shema bo akura ekon mo kra no fo no omo de bi atesi coach Otto Addo ene ne mrantere so ntiafutu a Speaker of Parliament or Reverend Alban Babin Edma Ghana for.
Our boys are getting it together. And you can even see the difference between the first half and the second half. It takes time to gel. The coaching, the technical play, the styles differ from country to country and from team to team. And so when you get them together like this, there's some difficulty in getting synchronization, telepathy, and it takes time for it to settle. Have you realized the names that you are mentioning, they didn't achieve it in a day. It took a long group of them from the youth growing together to become the stars. So please, let's have patience, let's be tolerant, let's encourage them, let's support the technical team and everybody. And Ghana will once again rise up.
Enu yansama Ghana mrashebe dofie opani power danwa yo ye speaker editu ya say Black Stars team no play we free no maba na coach no ene na pamfa fe ne de adwuma na mom yenya abotre na yenta machi na noma ebefa ediama the Black Stars of Ghana yenwram nyame pa Sunday anwumre 6 p.m. ewo University of Ghana Stadium ena MTN FA Cup fana no eba eso na mpanfo de atu ase gate no ba eye free obi antraka presempo abetem eno anso no obusuama ba no behwe na bia fe na bia yakono enso atramantim no ne bofa kwata no ena de epim so na no awuram a eye adese delegation from the Ghana Football Association from the MTN FA Cup organizers no ene urama eye adese MTN officials etim koramo University of Ghana etimi akọ present trophy na nyame pa Sunday sabofo na eje senso atama na eje akọ present ma the pro chancellor and your Professor Gordon Awandari ena omude ekoma na chen sampa trophy no enye wankasa wasase so stadium ho enye besi aka no officially yes tonsa afremo esem ni students no momra na mfuma ni nya meta chen bianya fine omu wieye no from chancellor ho omu se rural department outdoor at the trophy no ekọ talk akra ema bia so timi ye fine eno edi si ya ye de mamom yenwram ne hwe ewo Dreams FC Ket okra ku FA boss ni team eno no na Dreams buy no
no omanya 15 years na 15 years no omo ye celebration man ye fe eno ye current Dreams FC omo team no ebo Dreams Global na some players omo be si academy team na omo ja woko ema Dreams team no e Dreams Global ba ko a omo ntwante na as part of celebration no eno opanyina team ne dey fa ne Kurt FA boss e di nsem to 20 nsema or from 15th anniversary no.
That when the call came, you turned up, you represented, and you continued a history that you started. All of you here played your parts in the 15-year existence of Dreams FC. If today we are touted as one of the best 4 clubs in the CAF Confederations Cup, credit must also go to you, because if you didn't play your part, this team would have sunk into oblivion and this team wouldn't have been here. So thank you for all the hard work that you did in the past. Like Aminu said, you should strive to keep the relationship you have with this family. As far as I know, it's an amazing family. As far as I know, it is a very good family. Keep your relationship with us. Keep your relationship with your colleagues, because that's the only way to go. So I'm happy that
and you Sama Ora your friend Kurt ES or Kreku Ghana Football Association president or no and a Dreams FC Bobo Kwenene dia almost celebrate your fear a dunum no and also dominant players on Babasi Akako and no more way Obia Amo Brown Yan dia and Katimno a Medu Sampensui Obasre Esen Kitamudiania Ayonko Fedo Muntemno and Mane and said the Biarada Obiana Abdul Karim Zito Sarki Eso Ekasa current head coach at Dreams FC.
We entered into the GPL. We only had a problem and we were asked to go back. And the following year we came back. Since then, last when we won the G8, we finished 7th. Even with all the load of the CAF Confederation League, and then defending the CAF against RFA, we were able to be at 11th position, which to me is not bad. Because when you look at the way we played this CAF Confederation, it wasn't easy for us at all. 15 years, we were able to achieve this. So to me, we don't see ourselves as one of the biggest clubs, but in terms of achievement, I know we've done well.
Yeah, dear 15 years na Dreams at me ISA no ma we are omo aya dear and we are dear 10 now Rama coach Bashir Herford on the Lions Pando out of Lions coach no was say hey ye tia simponie ne ye beda was him be atwa mo hye coach na se na omo companyfo bia by den omo kwaji nimde omo experience no omo kɔ no omo kɔche ene omo coach Bashir Herford omo experience no e wɔ nimde so nkwada na eba no. Other
countries are making use of the experienced coaches. They are making use of them, tapping their knowledge, tapping their experience, tapping everything. But here, they don't recognize the achievement. They don't recognize your performance. You don't recognize your experience. I have a lot to offer, but age is numbers, and once I start a long time, I will be older than somebody. The one below me who is thinking I'm old, will also be old. So when you are old and you have the experience, they tap it. So when you are no more there, they will use the experience and at least see how best. And the young ones will learn from us.
Eno ensema coach Eddie Tuja e wasan kwada ni sua Eddie free ho na Romo Asante Kotokwa the champion coach, the hard working coach a supporters yada no panel semenhia eno ye Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum na me body dia o matim no ya akono se na wakasa nkrofos coach woni kwasi apia krasa muntam nya kwasi apia ka asema wuntie na o ya ahomaso na coach Ogum crown penipa communication nya Ogum anya daja chirichiri mu
kept communicating amongst ourselves through calls, leaving of audios behind due to time differences, we kept communicating to ourselves. He also watched our games from afar, from wherever he was. He watched our games and gave me feedback as to what to do. So in terms of relationship, it was excellent. And his influence, he understands the game. His level of coaching, he's been to national teams, he's played at the national team. He himself has been a former captain of the club, so he knows the dynamics within the football ecosystem, and especially when you are coaching Kotoko. Yeah. So he gave advices that were spot on for us to succeed.
Wahene oni asem ka osena na wasum wose coach Kwesi Apia da bia oni ni di nkoma the advice ba so som a etimbua Asante Kotoko bobokuo no eye na Kotoko players na omusha IMC no the metrics say 2 players we there omajetum reps no ene be sha IMC no omajetum so be kolon baako Jaya Dauni ono esu obekolon wajetum eno achi no abrante baako e friend Bernard Somua ono so ajetum ese ono so no obekolon after reps no ene Kotoko IMC ni share the metrics say Eric Zeze ono so no after Kotoko releasing no ono aje okwakuromo Raja Casablanca ho ena Eric Zeze kwakosina kama bibia so etma fine de ama wo mo na no achiru ramu Kotoko transfers no omo show interest on 2 goalkeepers baako ebe free Great Olympics aba no Benjamin Asare omo show interest onum so munya na omo pe eno atwom say Cry Lions Andrews Owusu ono so no omo hwe ese omunya na omo be pa nkomodie no egusu eno so ekoso na wura mu Asante Kotoko diamete and say so far omo ebetwa isu guest players ni bi ni nyasa from next week or foreign players baba on so maja team no ebi kwa momko na ba democracy cup na omatuma be si akama bibia aye kama edi amom Kotoko team no ebe resume training nyame pa next week abe prepare for democracy cup ama bibia that's why fine na mi wie no Samates 1996 the league champions omo jeso be isu for 2024-2025 seasons no omo dia ba mami home jersey no the Timber Giant home jersey enye efe papa omo we jersey no fa bia homa me eno so na we jersey no eno so no efe pa na shadu dia we jersey na to so 10 na yakwa anim awe jersey ni na omo third jersey no eso na wa ba behwe na omo goalkeeper no so no goalkeepers no jersey ombe yusuma one no enye na second one eso na ewo mu a mede ema no eno ediete a ye de ema mu eso eno no na brante ma no kobi bofa kwa goalkeeper no reporter me reliable source eso wasa pre-contract edi ametime friend Gold Stars abibede mo be si akade amomo Dauda Saka bofo captain ono so wajetu so ni owura no coach from Poma so good relationship onyawa obekọ nanso no owura bia o bofo management ni mu pese odi ni room Asante Kotoko wase crop bia ogumo a emu ode ntoma no kwa ebeboa abranting development ene ne career pa ntoba se o man ko piem Kotoko eno edi fro eba ye de ema mo ebre no ko ne won panyimfo bom bedi nkomo ntino ye be hwehwe nsempi na mom urama Gold Stars o mo captain efe no Jacob Hack wase se pressure be da o mo so nyame pa next season e wase Gold Stars na G Premier League no but so mo na G na Samates aje Mediama Jomina from Western region.
I drew almost. I was almost J. But I was meet me Aje.
Oh, say I'm fair no yen say Samates say Jumaden
and I'm on
project no.
Matemeda se power.
Okay. Abu Dhabi.
Like la bonne Sompa TV. Oh yeah. Why you why you message why? Tiko la komiana Mike bra. But I was last week in the did in command there. Salama che course when Chi Sports Arena. Now we said Jumadi no Kofosi Puko Korea. Ma was the new coach Mo Azaro. And our manager Pounds PRO Ifene Hamza Darling Boy. That was Okurunkumu so techini ade almost da wenchime ase. Ene almost support de baba be ramu ebuamane mane da yepa. Etibi erbo kama do you Felix Afene Jamo any other players ne keka kan obi azini pe kokko board dompem na no na enya de ketwa kra di almost da wenchime nyina ase. Na almost after no
omo ball break professionals no dey adia kwame azo o we wan ya tibi no na azo boy we no ndi atibi wum di yezi nyambo na ma de dadi on the 24th June Wanchi Sports Arena Honano, Wanchi professionals and any teaching man professional, the Bebo and Inti, Kamadin Suleiman Amo, and other players in Inano, Ebe Kwakwa Kurama, Buana, Niamatimia, Dayepa, Eddie Amona, Wanchi Stars, and Felix Afinejan, and Asedu Alligator, and Afi Abdullah, Obuejime de Masport, and Omina Abekwaku Tino, Coach Mo. One alaji na kata mo ne omo makeka kare nyina na za no pa wi no ye chia mo papa ni dwumadi a mo so mo boni ate ade asere me kem wa wo kakra ba me ma komia na mai kwa heba komunu bi na ye ruru ma after no na ma kom so me am coach aba na ye didi nkoma na be ze coach afi train o de me be fam no na akomia kra attitude no coach me ba na wa che me tactics bi a me de be ya kwa wi ni ma ba komunu bi opi person me kan jo ze wo bana o timi aba be jana so na bomod na 3D wallpapers no quality ones no ba be jibi na eboa ma na ma de da din pre timi ma kan se odu a de be ma me mo di ni bi no onya na yusu aya na nche na ni no kra no pepa na ho ni ade abaruru mu op na so be boa na quality one wanya bi se best lamps na pe TV backlight no ma kan so odum o light no na enu ni siso na de hweboa ya na edeye papa and a ring light outdoor na mo enemu ye TikTokers no mo ye YouTube no e wozo onya enu bi na de bo adwuma bo ama dem mo hyen ma nema ededa de ma na blind curtains no eni no oros wani chemo wo pia so no so no oton bi obebo ama nema de de ma kaze na kufu na twam blind ne na aba utimi twe na ama dem wa yihyen utimi twe na ama wa yusum se ne plastic wardrobes na pe center carpet outdoor na diffuser flowers outdoor na wall clocks no nyina no op na de ababa ko na dodo na opatu a oro ni chemo dum PZ na kwesi agema na banso first floor no obomodi na wenye bi oben hello FM abanso no na krono barrier ho na chesomsi krono market first floor nso no kwa ye boa na unsa etimi akabiti fa number no mo amopeze mutu dodo na akokoton no p number ni 0540 353 750 0540 353 750 na mbwa mane mandela di mpemfa mameza one Mike emze mun kambum ni nwere ma na yehwe sere ne mesiti emza ahase na mikimbram
yes coach say ohwe said the university ko na kroma say omu coach si na ni kwa mu faso a omu tuti omu no o say omu timu hu omu so mfaso said be adwumadi no adwuma bi na so mo ye you be recognize omu experience in a lot of things kroma na nkasa footballers nkasa kwan na omu
na
local coach a opiaba and I say local coach a wa ye adwuma adwum pempen so bi e wo see etimi ana those things it comes with your association and where you brand yourself and how you find yourself. There are massive retirement issues in any recognition issues in the people but how your coaches and your players they position themselves there are some of them they are still remembered, people get closer to them. There are players when they are done, people get closer to them, they are still remembered no matter how you do. And the upper crowd coaching and the menu you still be remembered.
Yes.
We still remember him. You know, only now more technical director no new coaching. We still there are a lot of coaches we still remember them. Sisu Jones took away the late. Still na money Diana. See boni di. So your achievement and how obesity brand yourself. I don't want to see after the achievement, you know. Are very essential in making sure that people respect what you do.
Ozo could bash so why more Ghana pa.
Could bash a juma pa. But also this season all your once your cancer to be in your maybe no actions via obey people will even take you serious.
Like how?
Also Bechemi should be campus already this season. Ya bra mo ko Bechemi ko bo Bechemi match. Say you should be agu ne so ya ye ne den obi aye ni say obi aye no dey akonya akotena park in finfin. A whole lot of controversies which people expect say one. You are the most experienced coach and also experienced pa. What did they mention as no? But more or less no. Oh kasa na wo ye onyo ma bia ma ne ye ne okwan afa so apese obi hu no enye dey. In fact, anya sa.
Mate. Because olele yade.
I think Bash is an unfortunate victim of once a national team coach.
Yes.
Nah, some suspension being on the free anyway. I think they're why and was some Ghana yepa. By any issue near one, say if we are institutionalized, if you can't say institutionalized, say ma a persons convert you from just being persons to brands, and now say from memory no making a philosophy. I don't know catch then na Ben Kofi DJ or DJ they be a Ben Kofi near car development plan document ben the wa a reference to Ben Kofi in the methodology quite of us did Jumani way in the coaching philosophy Sir Jones in the way exactly asema bashi can in two folds send the paneti aseno how to tap into the expertise na fire depa and not two so ja okoswa to ensure that the memory no will live on and the legacy no be live on. Then I would here. And then the affair is here. Do we even have a Ghana Football Hall of Fame? Yeah, your boxers were. Do we have a boxing Hall of Fame? Your bobo didn't come already. That's a crew man there. Any sports museum cry.
Wow.
Your man and your world documented. Yeah, and a trasa. So the neglect for coaches like Bashir Hayford, no, it might not be deliberate, but it's because we easily forget. Then we move on.
Oh yeah,
active baby.
Yeah, didn't cry.
Until you're touching in them. Sarah Menkan, you're touching in them.
Umiti a man with a Kwasi Uzu powerhouse.
Debbie. So on the goes to but not documented. It's an African problem. Yeah, almost a message share 90-something goals. No knowing Godfrey Shitalu or Zambia. Was more than that. But Obian Tranto. Obian recognizing.
As I would.
Oh yeah, Godfrey Shitalu. Oh, go and check. He has more than the goals now almost a message share in the calendar year.
I would.
I am as I would. Once I make a monster. No, I'm make us serious.
Okay.
Wow, Utie. Godfrey. Godfrey. Chitalu. Chitalu. Google. Godfrey Chitalu. From Zambia. The club na me
calendar year she goes to the chamber.
More than Messi Diano.
But because of the young people records.
Now in the South African even the ASR project and we wanted to file a petition to FIFA.
Okay. Oh
yeah, this is Chitalu.
Chitalu.
But yantro yanya hoshi. Enti yeah problem.
But Lord the records about
only Chitalu.
Because in the total matches, Somalia is 700 plus, goals 490 plus. They don't even get the
may say he scored more goals in a calendar year than Messi. But records, because FIFA dispute or they buy and say some of the games now, you submit there are some games you signal on say a friendly game and as a league game into moon.
Oh, okay.
In order to admit, a big project.
Why you fail to Chitalu?
The pioneer no South Africa. Oh yeah, South African Indian nibi.
FIFA.
Oh, you be keke kabom ye we ya. Yeah, who interviews are ye we are.
I will you know so.
Oh, the way I check na mo takrade.
Oh, na is a change ne.
Oh, check to come FIFA ye we ya man fikra because of documentation. Okay, can goes ni bo my bro Messi there so you do 100 something. Yeah. In a calendar year.
I really share.
Your problem na ya se say be hard dream.
Jaisa.
Olo awa hine champ.
I give a share. The me corner mabomodi di koma crazy as nema de dia for the first time National Sports Authority and name pin for don the nema to na come street boxing no eromo na unia wa sha ze si anyway. When I mama bo bobe wa ha o na be say aye yi kakra ba icon 2 contractor semen can franchise ni say we sifia ba bia we sifie no ase e wo nsuo munti ama dan no frofro one way ya dabi no dan na ba ababa be bubu ama yes o hu ze dan no ho papa ni ade a na nei no icon 2 contractors omo baba be ram no ya boa masa ne ma no nyina ye to etimi etweze ne kra no e nsuo mu kra na to nsa e from a ombeba ndaba be ne ma bia e be boa ma hyehyɛ na da ye pa etimi e dia ma mo kama na ne ma nso no etimi akoye ti ze ne o sa ha no bi ze we fifie sinso amadan no frufra me pa cho Ike Pontu contractors na also oni omo etimi edi nkoma na sepo no asase na ye di ama no nsu ataiwa otonsa from omeba ba behwe ne aboa na wetimi asi ama ne makoye pere ama Abreport Junction ship mu omo ben JP filling station on number is 055 511 8684 055 511 8684 na ya boa na ne ma de da ye pa etimi ediama Gentleman Dental Clinic ma cancel sene de e was already wujuma e be boa na we gian na so na ne ma de da ye pa etimi ediama kama ni nyina na ze e Gentleman for ne sebra na bra be we ba ne so seno examination na consultation services out na ye be etimi ediama sene na tu na person ni ye bo mo de etimi de bi shemo ye be ne ayo seno so no wanya how kakra ti ama ze ba ku bi change kala ni nyina kwa ye betu ni ne kama pa ama ne ma de the other man say braces na person ni no ye bo modi etimi edisi so de man na so se no e na person ye sesa no na ne ye etimi edi gold na silver tie de mawa ni nyina bre ni etimi aye de ama se ne wanya how kakra te se kaka ya na e how ye papa ni na oru wani chemo Gentleman Dental Clinic komaso ya ye reni aboa na etimi aboma de ama mujuma apa ni nti no oru wani chemo Ghana bibia omo ewo Kumasi Abreport Junction omo ben Total filling station Techima magazine oru wani achemo Techiman market kwa no so be Accra Nungwana Atomic Down your Mukoforidia or Central Police Station no war market on Atakra the pipe no traffic no Uruani Achimota Disco Junction no GN Bank will be 0559 139 582 0559 139 582 na 0598 405674 0598 405674 na nyomo Edin Komana Boma Nema Kuye Pera Mana Sara Mekeno Niama de na Koma Nyamia National Sports Authority Edi Niama Tutuna Koma street boxing no o baba be ramu e wo Kumasi krudi amanya baba be do na otwe awie ya na dwumadi na jepene na timi akoso na mensa campaign fodua na me ze me de minim dodo na me amekom na omo abomudi na omo ache dwumadi omudi anzere didi nko na za brand ba kubu azero osi toto ne nsara chaman me so nya abotre wa chena do be hia na de abobo ne sana em za de no zero osi di ba me so no ama me kra me yam kra ahyehye me ne ade akoje di aboko de na mpacho ben we ne mame obebo odina me de minimum pa no bia me ba jo everything
every coach Doku Williams
Coach Doku Williams e wan
na me regional boxing coach National Sports Authority Ashanti
wow di Coach Doku no obega ze ba jo zo di no
e fe me Abdul Gani Boyka mi fitafo
Boyka ona ambitious no corner ba boy kana gazani
mia kasamini
wow ada ambitious pa ze de muni zero zidin command de down ni be she ebe hu pa
anumja woni msa enkran for de enye efititinina omo kasasa pa na ne hawo
mbarazo do ntankasa bon de wa uzazo otu eni bi baza boy ka ozo nyawa ho minim ya wa uza videos ni bia
mi hu pa mesumetu bi bane no
Mate, me ba ona ye die no ngo ba ga me ba Johnson di no.
Is a from Abubonsa Samuel.
Abubonsa Samuel. Ozu juma di ne zai.
Okay, me fi champion lubricants. Ye na sponsor boxing no.
Oh, okay. Oh, ya da masimo bu juma papa. Ana ba me ba Johnson di no.
Pacho, me di e de Abbas Osman aka Banda Hero.
Wow. Abbas Osman so no dina na so ba ye boxers mienu a menyo musisi ya boy kana Abbas. And I'm zoni asu gina chire toto na yi ni ade ba nya botre wai. Mepe fighter mafia na wa nipa no adwuma mame Kodugu na minima no pay de na de mo na ma ba be rama
abum da se program ni ya Sacrum Street Boxing
okay
ya sha se nyam pochina na tumedie no e be start no enyumre 5:30
okay
eko nti hu ya hanuma ese ba beda ye hu adi ya kire wi asese program na ye ba be no bantama no ya me aduma edruso na nya bantama kwa na be ye no ye bantama de ni wi a ye wada 3 areas nso a ye be ko tafo ofuru krum na asonase
okay
nti wi a yi sa microphone no sa ni wi a finance no champion of champions no na e be ba be no baba ya stadium ho
di per the old kind of channel chance your bantama ti say na hye ni ti bantama he pot na channel koso
ye be no bantama kokwasi astrotep for no
okay
the ewo Adventist opposite no main road no so main road ho no
okay di obi ba ti kitwe bi wo ma na say
10 cities ni 30 cities.
Oh, okay. Ti obi otwa 10 Ghana na be coin 30 cities no so coin.
Ringside no na 30 no.
Okay.
Ti say ka over stadium VIP. Side no we say the price nko na popular stand so price nko ha ti sala.
Amanya widi abo me kakra. Menim say ba no box na am pimpi utidi na eze bokum nkwa. Menim say wo hu sa de na de unimu anim say de nemezi ko. Bara ye kroma no so ye wo that talent no. Wo she adwuma die na ase no. Me wo ntumi nyina na me no di nkomo fanwa. Say na sitie wo ose kroma gaza.
Aha say no boxes no your boxes wa ha.
Oh, okay.
Na mum dia na e man ye how no say ye nya mo best sponsor ya ma ya program. So they say me share more than 7 years ni. Say me ya nanka ye nya sponsors no wa boy nanka. Yan so yan kwala no talents no mo boxing nanka. So omo yi na DP. So ma ya enye tie ma ya kwala ba kokora Ashanti Warrior. Stanley Nyantechi.
Oh, okay. Stanley Nyantechi.
Makola no.
Wow.
Oye kumase boy.
Oh, okay.
Ni ba boxing mu kire no ama ni duru ba bia waduru ansana. Obi ba be fa na kwa manage no. Enti no senior sponsors momo boy ya. Sa dwuma de enye dakro adwuma. Ebe no afibia ye no competition na se de be ya. Enso be ya boxers a ebe kakra kan bia bukum ho no kran ko yanti
rise ababe yo sekru.
Ababe yo sekru. We say ye ka sports na kuma Asante mem.
Oh, okay.
Sports bia say even men so kra meka say swimming kra ni say nyo bia odum swimming kra chance fi anoma o ba be good o Asante.
Swimming e wa ha. E nyo bi o chance e wa ye we a.
O be good because sports there na kuma ni Asante mem.
In Ghana one major problem e cause part is that all corner sponsorship no. E ban say sport na yes yen sheda enim no boxing dey cry enim pa after football no enim boxing pa. I mean him challenges ni bi ne saying after say be a sponsorship on sensem ne ade no because the boxing say ya na nkofo hu ne zo say me kɔ ne ebo me na me wu e menim say out tititi sa nkomo ni bi ne ade challenges ni bi ne saying
na so adwuma bia say bi o epira ne wu.
Yes.
Yeah. Until we catch a boxing, we back catch a boxing community. Boxing crama who had them more.
Wow.
And my fit. Sabe me can't me ya so ja boxing for the past 20 years in Kramenko Hospital.
Wow.
Until no why you train ya obedena o yare say ya learn ball do beko.
Obia qualifies or be bow na se na odena fast entity.
Yeah, obia interest for boxing bia oba me training.
From saying age saying
every 14 years ekono kokosi 25 26 me oba me
mate coach me sa banama ba be fa final we ba ma me call pin zo ben ele ga Ghana dia na di on ze anya Black Stars ni bobo idi aze enya company bi on ba be so djuma di bi asen ya na den kakra menim dia na won ho ani mo ma dwen se mo be ba be bo na djuma di kesi etimi akoso.
Okay, ebu me fa konya so na meti machiao eti fo na mata chiawa. Okay, na you training wo stadium.
Oh, okay.
And Mr. Duku, he was say, why to say, yeah, Papa Penny. And I'm a director down for Pano no. And see what about 2 years. And I say, who say, you see, dinner as champion lubricant, no. I say, it's me champion. You free Ashanti region. Teddy and you say football there. Obia, you know, so person sponsor football and we boxing no. Ebia ye nya akunya yetima ko school yetu kwan ye adwuma but enwam boys obi ye hazla utie bi mu story kwan na wananti ansa na oyeden waba training enti ye de ko adwundwiri mu no na yese ye boa Mr. Doku adwuma pese eba actuality no na ye boa mo enti ye ko boa wo mo no
oh nyame nhamo pa nyame nhamo ze nyamo su bebre organa adwuma de bi dibia no ebe ko kama pa champion lubricant for my adwuma pa my adwuma boyka
yes abu
Alezia no only Abbas mo na mo ye face no
yeah
di na da be na no nua so mo yi ni you arise after winner
after winning na street fight ni na idi ni na ko shesu stadium one.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, now only ambitious the tilapia and is after winner.
Yeah, and then I make us a stadium one maybe last you ornament ni na babe shohonom.
Amate. Can be kakre. Is there baba be do say krum. I mean ono hayana basi hayana wo sha say. Then na unya interest so be o de board ya Ghana dodo na animu.
Yeah.
Send is sha say.
Oh. adene shall say every street num because we want to tafo de so we want to boys na egu no ma santiman so no obia nim say ho oden by emwani ni ho de tene say be sere mpanyifo mo Ghana mpanyifo dodo na mo firi asantere jinase enti be sere mo so mo nso emu na boxing ya ye di yani ato so say ye pese ye ne de enye say ye ne keke ye pese ye ne ye boy ye nuane mo geto mo ho oden omo ninam na omo ye ne ma basa obi ono ma enye ne pe no option so you have to make mom laugh one day. That's why you have to do everything you have to do to feed mom. Entina and the sanya money koso and now we so also go get to our boys now my addicted to drugs.
Yes.
Yeah. And tisani ma we are Coach William Deku Eddie Bano ebe boy na say me started boxing na ebi muka say nkwasi adwuma na me kwa akoye.
Omo kan sa nyina.
Yeah. Me woni pa bebre ono ma unkope adwuma nya ni say but I know what I want to do. That's why man give up. And debia me ko training ada de me na anti-free tafo eco stadium minister wo me hono na makoye training na masamba fie. Ba ni nyina no nyankopon nipa wa mbra se wonya korampo a untimi nkura ni ye. Enti ene babia maduru mi wo awreshe se babia maduru me be ko mani ma no ena me nam kwan so enti me nuane mo hwe me omo hwe na omo nsia bibi mfiri me mu because drugs ni ade any sad drink ni embo bia by sometimes one ben obi a unhu de ha
any dey no crepa
because boys no mo get to know omo ye lovely aswoy maybe a boxer by me ko get to me ko ba bia me wura ba bia ntina ye nimi no
sa
yeah me wura mu na me hwe say boys no sa omo ye lovely omo nya nipa boni for
ba bibinti
yeah bibinti obi ono mo na dwundwen wonya obi ekura amane ne ntina se ba ko get to na obenya obi a obeso no mu ni ade na ono ne so na atena enti mesre obi a say 22nd ene edi bibia be hye so many banda yiro ono so na etimanimi me so am for de omugini di ba me so am na nkasa na matena happen obi ani me say ukọ b filer for base na ho na obi ani me so am nkramu mu aya obi ani me boy ka
boy ka first you ne Abbas
yeah
era nyambo a mo bie ano abantma onyambo ochina
yeah nyambo abantma wono mini Abbas ono na etu o hwe me
Abbas abi we face on higher na face off no e ba uze o kasa o he ni din
sanity
simple crowd
I'm sheni din and I'm so true jam so media no so on proof room na on spirit too abu me catch your boy kasa enye kasa enya no
obey simple
ringinum
okay
ringinum but expecting as a senior by gina ringinum no
obeye no ho adwuma kra
simple kra
because ono kasa no hwe wani ba aba adwuma ni mu aba hwe ono fina ni ka
na nim kra me pema hwe me pena nim kra hwe
scam face man bro
but because ya ha kra no so o ye so am guy
me ya so am guy
atu fie ni o so am for ni nyina die ka bi chop so obo ba ajira ya
kasa ma edi no obo nyina mo ya we obi a hwe live obo hwe live Amanda Krafa
wow
Amanda fa ti ono dede na we
wow enti kabibi chia boy tezana boy ke kan on boys na wo street no anyway no hye na amode abane agro na ekwa kudin kabi fa na be ijam kwan na
no street no de no kre yenya egu street no so but say na me nwa no kano sometimes one be nipa na uhu hawa o me ke me de ye mfanto a ba kumu a lot but say me nwa na dikaka no aka ni nyina mpanyimfo no adeside na edi tu omo anim omo mmoa na omo nso yemu omo hu se bibi oyemu aye pese yi mani pie so ati afia
I was a face off na haya na ekoso na emu mesemo munya boy ka munya abotre mame munya abotre Abbas ezo ni apese o yard no
wa me pese o tia enye kasa enye dede
agrone form
sanity nti o bibi o ma no ho onya abotre na ebe ma no tough time
Mate, made up as a premise and member na emre adi. Coach, finally my for we now the obeki chat on after me jam kwa na monko.
Yeah, I will me that say dedi kind of my mentia me director Mr. Ba Benson. Obai ono anu ahye me nkron ya ama ya me anya sponsors ya. Ya di ba be program nti ya me ni kan na na sina me nsanchia no. Na me ntia ya staff a eno mo yadwuma National Sports Authority na ebesre se sports eboa nti no so be yes sports bia anya bia boxing ko other sporting discipline bia wo mo so yasene we mu ina aka ho bi na eyi kan say youth no free eno ma boni mu no so wo engage no e was sports a baby o no onko hobby
yeah na gri fi ni ma bebre
so nti ebesre omo bie no so omo boy nyame adoma akina no num ne fa anwumre na ye status e Crown Street boxing nti obi amra omo form support emra meta ye china santiment boxing so yen san pijan ebiam so na champion lubricant
yeah
omo wada roma enye easy
omo ya de pa
so de wa wani tua
omo ya de na mi show
ma bre kwa ma famu a etua ye nya wo mo ntina ye de omo se pa se yami aduma yenya nwie ti ene omo ana ebedi djuma
mate yanso ya beba na de bia ba be support ba me mintime ntwen se me bana ma ba be hwewe oben final we remember na so na me nyenso
okay Sompa the station we saw match 5 from food for thought on my hin no
matter all don't monitor from baby
Akoko sports it's be by my band Sompa the bibi kaka ebremu
wow yeah that's it pa yeah that's it Yami Shao Papa champion lubricant for times all modern Niama Bibra Bani Adia send Niama no Shima aben we ne den
every fresh idea send
oh wow now we no see den
we the
complimentary card na ma unze yo ayi na kiwo de sa wodo na so na we so ye den
t-shirt
we need the obi here okay and afi ma unze echeso wa ha na t-shirt wodo na di champion lubricant for no ye da mase popen nyami shamo memre na emrenti ya be coach na quick one memre na so na me page me
na say America no nyami aduma china and I dig man until if you hold one so baby your next locations no e be announce na
mate minim ze bibia so enu be dis house na akona ye ya ti me da se peye ye mre na emre di mu sini ade aba sha minim ze betima ye we na nanka ye nye ne enye we ya na togbe ahaban keke makanze ne haban banko a ena na di bo adwuma bo amane makoye na pedo na Takas TV TAKS TV okwa na wabomode awram na wakwa akohwe na bo amane ma de de ma huhumu nsem no ono ana be na wabomode etimi aso ano de amantu o ha bia 0244484747 0244484747 Kumasi ajoso fiase kwan no so ono bon hospital jan shube nyom ye yere wapem ye ko